Hey, what's up guys, Boardman Tech here, and we all know when the Samsung S8 was about to be announced and launched, the design was just on point. People were leaking it everywhere, and when it came out, it looked exactly like how it was leaked. But people were really happy with how the design looked and how it feels in the hand. That Infinity display, it's into aspect 9 ratio, it feels really nice in the hand. But there was one thing people didn't really like about that phone, even I didn't really like about it, even though I never got one, and that was the fingerprint reader. It was placed in an awkward position. Like, they basically kept the camera in the top center of the phone, then the flash is on this side, then they kept the fingerprint reader on this side. So every time you try to unlock your phone using the fingerprint reader, there's a possibility that you might actually smudge your camera with your finger. So this design actually pissed people off kind of, but people had no choice. They also have to get the phone and use it that way. And also they took this same design to the Galaxy Note 8 with the dual cameras. So this Note 8 is quite bigger, and it's even making it more difficult to actually use the fingerprint reader, because except you really have big hands, you can't just unlock the phone that way. You need to support it with your other hand and unlock it, and also try not to smudge your cameras. Now the Note 8 still has it close to the camera, close to the flash, and it's really big. So this same design, people just have to go with it. Not everyone really liked it. But a couple of days ago, Samsung announced their 2018 flagship that is called the Galaxy A8/A8 Plus, and this is about to change everything. So the A8/A8 Plus is now changing the design. The fingerprint reader is no longer going to be close to the camera with the flash. It's now going to be exactly below the camera, and this has been leaked, and that's finally been confirmed by Samsung on their official Samsung mobile press site, that this is where the new fingerprint reader will be. So this in essence is that Samsung is definitely going to follow the same design with their next flagship, which is going to be the Galaxy S9 or SX, like iPhone X, you get it, or Galaxy Z, or we have so many rumors online. But if Samsung can do this with the A8 and A8 Plus, they are definitely going to do it with the S9. Now let's just run through the specs of this phone. So it's a 5.6-inch Full HD Plus octa-core processor. It has 32 gigs of internal storage, or 64 based on the one you want, or based on your market location, plus 4 gigs of RAM, which is pretty huge for a mid-range phone. 3000 mAh battery, USB Type-C, 16 megapixel f4.7 aperture for the rear camera, which is really nice for a flagship, and it's limited to 1080p video recording, not 4K. It's a mid-range phone, right? What do you expect? So this phone is changing the design of what the next Samsung flagships will be it mid-range or standard flagship like the S9 or Samsung Galaxy X or Samsung Galaxy Z. So that's it for today's video, guys. It's definitely something we can predict, that the fingerprint reader of the S9 is no longer going to be by the side, or the SZ or the Note 9. It's now going to be in a more comforting place. For sure. Hope you watch this. Thank you for watching. Peace. Is it perfect? Is it, am I in the center? I hope I'm covering this. I'm not covering that.
Yeah, covering it.
I'm covering it.
Wait.